I became involved in this scheme when I had to go into the local food bank, and one of the ladies there was from Welsh Water, and she said to me, "We can help you with your bill." I'd actually just spoken to somebody in Welsh Water, and I was thousands of pounds in arrears. I'm on benefits. There's no way I had that type of money available. So having signed on to the scheme, within 6 months, half the debt would be cleared. Within 12 months, the whole debt would be cleared. You know, it's lifted a great weight off my shoulders because I don't owe the money that I hadn't got. I don't have to find the money I hadn't got.
1 potato, 1 fish, 500 of pasta, and 1 pasta sauce.
We've really enjoyed working with the food bank, and it gives us a great opportunity to meet the people who need our help the most face to face. We know that one of the biggest challenges is when a customer has got behind with their bills, is actually for them to get in touch and talk to us about it. But we've got a really great scheme available for customers called the Customer Assistance Fund, which means that we talk to customers, we set up a payment plan that they can manage, and when they've made 6 months of payments, we'll write off half of the debt that they owe us, and after another 6 months, we'll write off all of the debt. And that doesn't matter how small or large the debt is, it's all gone. We can run that scheme alongside Help You, so not only is the person getting the debt written off, but we've also given them a lower bill, so lower monthly payments, both for that year and for the year going forward. Really, any family who's surviving on less than 15,000 can apply for help through Help You, and we'll then put you onto the scheme if you qualify. In total, we're helping 65,000 customers in Wales to have a lower bill. We've got 13,000 on Help You at the moment, and our target is to help 100,000 customers by 2020 to have a lower water bill. But if we have more than that, then that's great. We haven't got a cap on that number, so as many as possible. But we'd like to help at least 100,000.